Hi, Anton is here. In this video I'm going to unbox Space Gray Magic Trackpad and connect it to my Mac Mini 2018 to test how it works. So inside the box we have the trackpad itself and the black lightning cable. Besides that, there are a lot of useless papers with no Apple logo stickers among them. With a lot of joy I can finally remove the wrapper to enjoy every inch of this Magic Trackpad. On the back side of the trackpad there are lightning connector and an on-off slide switch. Pressing on the switched off trackpad is just the same as pressing on the table. Now is the time to connect trackpad to Mac Mini. I need to go to System Preferences and choose Trackpad section. After a few seconds, the trackpad is discovered by Mac and you will see the connected label. Finally, I can disconnect my wired mouse from Mac Mini. And after that, I will tune settings for the trackpad according to my own preferences. Also, I would like to mention that my fingers slide on the surface of trackpad very smoothly, and I really like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case of any questions, just post them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.